Good afternoon. This place looks lovely. Perfect for a little escape from the hustle and bustle.
Thank you. We like to think of it as a hidden gem. What can I get started for you today?
Well, I've heard rave reviews about your cappuccinos, but I'm in the mood to try something a bit different. What would you recommend for someone who's feeling a little adventurous?
If you're up for something unique, I'd suggest our lavender latte. It's a delicate balance of floral and espresso, and it's been quite the crowd pleaser lately.
That sounds intriguing. I'll give it a shot. And maybe throw in one of those almond croissants as well. I can't resist.
Great choice. Our croissants are baked fresh daily. Would you like your latte to go, or are you planning to stay and soak in the ambiance?
I think I'll settle in for a bit. The atmosphere here is too inviting to rush off. Plus, I could use a little breather.
Absolutely. Feel free to make yourself at home. I'll bring your order over in just a few minutes.
Thanks a million. You've just made my afternoon.
My pleasure. Enjoy your break and let me know if there's anything else you need.